Kiama kia ODM tukoya narua ni kiorotete thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni kireba kuga ni kwerekeria borithi gutumira inya nkuruki ya kithimi kirimbe umbithi bara bethiritwe pakiandamana barenda bara bonthe barikite gwikirwa MPIINE kurekerua na borithi gukanwa kugwata utawe mbeumbithi bate kuthingatira watho. Kiama giki ni gichokete kierekeria kwambirirwa kwa mutaratara jo kweberia gitine abunge baria batathingatirire uge bwa Akenya. Kiama kia ODM gitongeretwe ni Raila Odinga kiria giotirimene kwariria urungamiri no tongeria bwa kiama kiu ikimeneretie bunene uteki buria bugwitithwa na mbere kagita karia maandamano ja kugitikana kinya borisi gutumira inya nkuruki ya kithimi untu gikuga thirikari ni chiathuranite buru na makarikaja.
We condemn in the strongest terms possible the abuse of police power in the deployment of violent suppression techniques on innocent and armed protesters. Our position is that no one has to die in exercise of the rights under Article 37. We further condemn the ongoing arbitrary abductions of innocent Kenyans who are carted away in the most violent and inhumane manner and held incommunicado for days. As we speak, the reports are that upwards of 50 individuals have been illegally abducted and their whereabouts remain unknown. To make it worse, it is clear that no one in government is ready to take responsibility, to render an apology, or to make amends. The head of state himself has tried to distance his regime from these killings, injuries, and abductions, instead conjuring up theories when everyone can see the blood on his hands.
Ikiugite kigeta na mbere kurungamana mu Kenya na guchokeria nkatho abunge baria bareganire na Finance Bill 2024.
Kenyans asked us to stand with them against the punitive tax proposals in the Finance Bill, and we did. Of the 115 members of the National Assembly who stood with the people and voted against the bill on the floor, 73 were in fact members of ODM. We applaud these great patriots and thank them for being true representatives of the people. As a party, we celebrate you for being on the right side of history.
Ikiorete thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza kuthikira nthuki mbithi ati nande ibane nkirikanya kangi.
Listen to what the people are saying and not to our own voices. The young people have spoken in plain language that should be clear to everyone. Let's not be vague. Let's just do what the young people are telling the government to do. The youth have given our country our last best chance. We either seize it and swim with it by implementing all their demands, or we ignore it and sink the country altogether.
Ikiorete Rais Ruto ajukie itagaria kurigiria uteki bukujerwa na uchonkoni kuthithika na kinya ibarigariwe kuga ni mtu mwake ukuite.
The president must publicly direct his security organs to forthwith seize the ongoing abductions, an exercise that we believe is being undertaken with his full approval and the approval of the state. He must account for and order the release of all detainees abducted by these security agencies. That the Independent Police Oversight Authority must expedite investigations into all these incidents, including allegations of mass murder by police in Githurai and in Rongai. We were shocked to watch the president claim on live television that only one life was lost. It tells you how out of touch with reality he is.
Ikirekeretie ati mutaratara jukambirirwa jo gwita itene abunge bakiama ke baria batathingatirire uge bwa aringi kura kirirwaria rwa kigina mwaka jwa 2024.
ODM shall initiate and lead recall processes in the following constituencies in light of the current office holders' repeated violation of their sacred oath and the wishes of their electorate. Number 1, Game constituency. Number 2, Bondo constituency. Number 3, Navajolo constituency. Number 4, Kajiado Central. Number 5, Ikolomani. And lastly, Suba South in Homa Bay.